Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can manage the line rejection on TranZact. So particularly once you go ahead and issue some raw material in the production process, then after it happens sometime that the entire line items are rejected. The entire line of the stock is rejected. So how you may be able to go and manage that? So first of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will go in production module, these are the list of all the production processes which we have created. Now, there is one of the production process which is in WIP where the raw materials are issued. Now I need to line reject some of the stock into that. How I can do it? Open this particular production process. Now once you will open it, please check it is in WIP. Go below. On your right hand side, you will see an option of issue on raw material segment. Click on issue. Now here is the options. Please check. As you can see that here is the store and add or less. So like suppose the gray wire estimated is 10 and we have issued 10. Now the entire quantity need to be line rejected and sent back to inventory in my reject store. How I can do it? So here is on the add on less, click on this and you will get an option of line reject. Click on the line reject, just update the quantity and going below, just click on save change. Once you will click on save change, please check the material which was issued has now been sent to the reject store in my inventory. So I hope this particular video assisted you how you can go ahead and line reject the stock which you have issued in the production. Have a good day.